Before buying Tailwind, there are a few things you need to know, especially if you're comparing it with other tools in the market. Tailwind is an automation tool designed primarily for Pinterest and Instagram, but how does it stack up against the competition, and is it the right fit for your needs? Let's break down 7 essential things you should consider before purchasing. First, Tailwind is most well known for its focus on Pinterest, but it doesn't just stop there. It's also an excellent tool for Instagram scheduling and content creation. What sets it apart from other social media schedulers is its deep integration with Pinterest. Most other tools like Buffer or Hootsuite focus on a broader range of social media platforms, but Tailwind provides a level of specificity when it comes to Pinterest optimization that many others lack. If you're running a business or marketing a product heavily on Pinterest, Tailwind's ability to schedule and automate pins is a big advantage. Next thing you need to know is about its Smart Loop feature. This is a game changer when it comes to content repurposing. Unlike competitors, which require manual reposting of old content, Smart Loop automates this process for you, allowing you to recycle your best performing content at optimal times. This makes Tailwind unique because it saves you a ton of time while ensuring you're always showing your most engaging pins without extra effort on your part. The third thing worth mentioning is Tailwind's analytics and reporting. Tailwind provides insights that can really help you refine your content strategy. Unlike tools like Later, which are basic in their reporting, Tailwind gives you specific data on which pins or Instagram posts are driving the most engagement. It also allows you to monitor your audience's growth and engagement, helping you make data-driven decisions for future posts. Now, Tailwind isn't just for content creators or influencers, it's perfect for businesses too. The fourth thing to know is Tailwind's Tailwind Communities feature. This helps you engage with others in your niche, collaborate, and get your content in front of the right eyes. Tailwind Communities acts like a hybrid between a social network and a content sharing platform. When you share your pins with communities, they get exposure to a targeted audience. This feature alone sets Tailwind apart from general schedulers like Buffer that don't offer the same level of engagement. Next, Tailwind's pricing model is a point of consideration. It's subscription-based and offers tiered pricing based on how many accounts you want to manage and the number of features you need. Tailwind's pricing might seem a little steep compared to some other tools, but when you factor in its powerful features like Smart Loop, its Pinterest-specific analytics, and the communities, it's a reasonable investment for those serious about growing their Pinterest and Instagram presence. The sixth thing you need to know is about customer support. Tailwind support is known to be responsive and helpful, which is not always the case with other scheduling tools. Many users report positive experiences with their customer service team, especially when it comes to troubleshooting or optimizing their Tailwind account for better performance. Finally, before you purchase, take advantage of Tailwind's free trial. You can test out its key features and see for yourself if it meets your needs. But here's a pro tip. If you click the first link in the description, you can get the best offer for Tailwind, including some exclusive benefits not available anywhere else. So, make sure you check it out. If you're still unsure about which tool is right for your needs, just remember that Tailwind shines when it comes to Pinterest marketing and automation. It offers features that are tailored specifically for that platform, which makes it a great choice if Pinterest is a priority for your business or personal brand. So, if you're ready to try out Tailwind for yourself and get access to some amazing features with the best deal, make sure to click the first link in the description. Start your free trial today and see the results for yourself.